Welcome to Mindful Bodyworks. Today's yoga session is going to be yoga to wind down. You're welcome to join me on your mat, or you can even do this session in your bed. So we're going to start sitting, and we're just going to find our breath. So just going within, you can have your hands on your knees, palms facing down to ground, or you can have those hands open. But sitting up nice and tall, inhaling and exhaling. I'm starting to inhale a little deeper now. And exhale a little longer. And when you're ready, bring your hands heart center. And we'll take our thumbs up to our forehead, right at the brow. And then we'll go ahead and blink those eyes open. And let's inhale the arms up. And we're going to reach out over towards our right side. And then relax the arm down. Inhale both arms up. Reach out over towards the left side. And come back down. Again, inhale both arms up. Exhale, reach. Inhale up. And to the other side. Sitting up nice and tall. Coming back to center. We're going to extend our left hand out on our mat or the bed, and we're going to bring our right ear towards our right shoulder. So again, you're starting to sit up nice and tall here before you come over to the stretch. Opening the neck, the trap, and then very slowly come back to center and kind of feel how that feels. And then extend that right arm down by your side. Left ear to left shoulder, finding your breath. Each exhale, you stretch a little bit more, and then go ahead and come back to center, move the neck around, see how you feel. We're going to do some circles with the neck. So we're going to do one full circle, one direction, nice and slow. And then when you're ready, you can go the opposite direction. Doing what's comfortable for your body and your neck. And when you're done with that, we're going to go ahead and just roll those shoulders back and then roll them forward. Just getting some motion flowing, some breath flowing. And then we're going to take our right arm across the chest and we're going to hold it with our left arm. The tricky part here is to relax that shoulder down away from your ear. And again, continue to breathe, allowing that breath to flow easily. And when you're ready, we'll come to the other side. So bringing the left arm across the chest, try and relax the arm, relax the shoulder down away from the ear. Breathe into the upper back. And when you're ready, we'll just relax out of that. And now we're going to make goalpost with the arms, and then we're going to take one elbow on top of the other and just twist the palms together. Do your best here. Relaxing the shoulders down away from the ears, really opening the upper back, breathing, and then releasing, bring it back to the goalpost. Just shake your hands out if you need to, and then we'll switch to the other side. So now the opposite elbow is on top, twisting the palms together. Again, finding the breath. And then very slowly, we'll relax out of this, shaking those arms a little. And then we're going to come so that we can extend the legs. So if you're on a mat, you can turn sideways. If you're in the bed, then you're probably good. So we're just going to bend that right knee and we're going to hug it in. We're going to keep the left foot flexed and just come into a simple spinal twist. Breathing here. And then coming to the other side. Bend the left knee. Flex the right foot and just twist back looking back as far as possible. It's really important to stay up nice and tall. And then very slowly coming back out. And then we're going to roll down, so lying all the way down. We're going to keep our knees bent and just windshield wiper from side to side, opening up some space in the hips and the low back. So allowing our breath to flow. And then coming back to center, we're just going to do a reclined butterfly. So soles of the feet are together, knees splay out to the sides. And I like opening my arms and my chest into cactus arms. And we'll just lay here for a couple breaths, letting gravity do all the work here. And then when you're ready, we'll bring those knees back in towards each other. And we're going to hug both knees into the chest and just rock from side to side, massaging the low back. And then we're going to take the left leg out long, keeping the right knee in. Now you can keep your head down for this, or you can lift the head if you want to work the abdominals. And then we'll switch feet. Both feet are flexed. Left knee's in, and then right knee comes in. So again, you can leave your head down, especially if you have neck issues. You want to leave your head flat on the mat or the bed. And then bring both knees back into the chest. And then we're going to take both knees over to our right side. So another simple spinal twist. Twists are so good, not just for our low back and hip area, but they're also good for our internal organs, bringing fresh blood, fresh oxygen to this area. So come back to center, and then we're going to do the same thing, just coming to the other side. So both knees come out towards the left. And just breathing here. Every exhale, you're able to relax into the twist a little bit more. And when you're ready, we'll come back to center, hug those knees in. And then we'll place the feet on the floor, but the knees are still bent. You're going to come into a bridge or a modified bridge. So we're going to lift the pelvis up towards the sky, tuck the chin towards the chest. Make sure we're pushing through the feet, and then slowly come back down. We're going to do this 2 more times. You can do this at your own pace, lifting the pelvis. You should be able to say no with your head. That lets you know there's no pressure on your neck. So you're bringing that chin towards the chest. And then when you're ready, slowly come back down. 1 more to go here. Lifting up. Make sure you're not holding your breath. And then very slow, come back down. We're going to take our left ankle on the right thigh and come through the hole, grab the hamstring. Keep both feet flexed. I'm going to push that left knee away from you with your intent while you're pulling that right leg towards you. Relaxing the head on the mat. And then we're going to come to the other side. So we'll take that right ankle on the left thigh, come behind the hamstring here. So we're pulling the left leg towards us while we're using our intent to push the right knee away from us. Find your breath. And slowly relax back out. Now you can take your legs nice and long. Breathing here. We're going to tighten everything up. Tighten your fist, flex your feet, tighten your thighs, your glutes, your jaw, everything. Tight, 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 tight. Squeeze. And then I want you to let it all go. All at the same time. Relax everything. Sink into the earth here. Make sure you're nice and comfy, and again, find that flow of breath. Surf the breath, inhaling and exhaling. Relaxing from the head, shoulders, hips, knees, ankles, toes. Allowing everything to sink into your mat. And this is where I'm going to leave you. Please stay here as long as you can. Namaste.